right?
Yes.
So make sure the sewing machine is on. Green button. Then we're going to load the bobbin. So I have to come over here. This slides out, and then you twist it. Can you see that? And then it sets that. Bobbin is here. I can reach under the machine. There's a small tab. I don't know if you can see this tab right there. See that?
Yes.
I'm going to grab that and pull it straight outward. This is the bobbin. This is the green part that holds the string. This is what the empty bobbin looks like. We are going to load a new bobbin. So I'm going to take the thread out of the needle. Just going to pull it out and hold it right here. I'm going to take my empty bobbin, come over here, and put it on the bobbin holder. Push it there. I'm going to grab the free hanging string, take it over to my bobbin, putting the string on the bottom side of the bobbin, like this. And then I'm going to wrap this free part of the string around my bobbin several times, just to create some tension, like a bad joke. And then I'm going to push this lever forwards, and I'm going to use the foot pedal slowly, and you can come over here and see the bobbin winding. So when I push it, it should start to slowly spin the bobbin, and you'll feel it catch. So now it is pulling the string in. I'm going to hold the thread that's just hanging over here, and I'm going to spin much faster. I'm going to push all the way down on the pedal. Oh, and I should not have let go. All right, well, we'll edit that part.
We can do another take if you need it to.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I'll show you exactly what happened. Okay, here we go.
Deja vu.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so the bobbin was partially wound, and it came out of this little tension wheel, and that was when it started to bind up. So now, there we go. It's winding the bobbin. And it will wind until it gets full, and then it will pop. There it is. The bobbin is full. I'm going to take my scissors, cut the bobbin thread, and pull it off. This is my extra bobbin. You can come on this side now. What I need to do to load the bobbin is to put the thread in clockwise. Can you see that? So I'm going to put the thread in with the back of the bobbin clockwise. And then I'm going to go over to this notch, pull the thread through it carefully under that tab right there. And that's it. The bobbin's loaded. I'm going to make sure this little flag is facing me, and I'm going to reach under the machine. This flag's still pointed at me, and I'm going to, oh, and I dropped it. This is not good. There we go. Okay.
We can edit that out.
All right, great. There it is. It's gross. I'm going to push it straight into the machine, into the bobbin holder. I might have to move this wheel up here a little bit if it won't fit. There it is. And it should go straight into the bobbin carrier and snap. Then I have to thread the needle. And I'm going to snip it to give myself a nice clean bit of thread. There we go. Has to go through this hole in the top of the needle. And then I'm going to thread the needle. There it is, from left to right. And then I'm going to hold the thread there and gently pull this wheel towards me. About one rotation. And you can see that it has pulled the thread out of the bobbin. Might have to go forward a little bit more. And I should be able to get that string. There we go. There it is. And then once I have that, I'm just going to pull it out. And I have my 2 strings and I'm ready to sew. I will put this back here and twist it. And I am done.